shaders. It's that weird looking code that kind of looks like the programs you've written before, and yet you feel like you're trying to decipher Egyptian hieroglyphics. But it really is simple when you learn how. And wow, when you learn how, the things you can do. If you've ever wanted to untangle the world of computer graphics, rendering pipelines, and visual effects, then this course is for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Penny DeBale. I live and breathe all things computer graphics and games. I'm passionate about the power that simple code and mathematics has in producing truly stunning visual effects. Join me on this journey of discovery and benefit from my 25 years experience as an international award-winning teacher and author. Right from the start, you'll get up and running with simple and yet powerful code that will examine the beauty of mathematics. You'll learn how 3D models travel through the graphics pipeline to end up on the computer screen, fully textured and lit. With a continued focus on hands-on workshops throughout, you'll soon be developing your own surface, vertex, and fragment shaders in no time. From simple bump maps to complex animated waves and plasma effects, this course will soon have you creating your own special textured effects to take your applications and games to the next level. So wonder no more about the shader language and enroll now.